This is question 3 from the 2019 paper 2. In a population, find the probability that a person has, the probability that a person has blue eyes is 0.7. One person is chosen at random from the population. What is the probability that the person does not have blue eyes? Well, the total amount of the population is 1. Okay, that's everybody, is represented by the number 1. So subtract 0.7 from 1. 1 minus 0.7 is 0.3. So the answer is 0.3. 2 people are chosen at random. What is the probability that both have blue eyes? Well, now you know that a person with blue eyes, their probability is 0.7. You've 2 of them, so you simply multiply the probability for blue eyes by itself. So that's person 1, that's person 2. So it's 0.7 by 0.7, and your probability is 0.49. 3 people are chosen at random. What is the probability that exactly 2 of them have blue eyes? So this time you have 2 people with blue eyes and 1 person with not blue eyes. So again, you have the 3 people, so multiply all the probabilities together. Now you have 3 people, so you have to do this 3 times. And the easiest way to do it is to multiply all the probabilities together and then do it by 3. Because the reason you have to do it 3 times is, first of all, you have to multiply the probability for person 1, then the probability for person 2, then the probability for person 3. So you have 0.7, that's your blue eyes, 0.7, 0.7, and 0.3, right? So that's your probability of 3 people being born and 1 person having blue eyes. And because there's, as I said, 3 of them, you have to multiply that by 3, and your answer is 0.441. Okay, so that is, and it's the reason why you have to multiply it by 3 rather than here. Up here it says, what's the probability that both have blue eyes? It's the exactly that changes it. Like here we just did that by that was person 1 and that was person 2. But with each time, each person, because it's exactly 2 eyes, you have to count that each time there's a possibility that it can be blue eyes or it can be not blue eyes, and then you multiply that by 3. Okay? So that is, and the answer then is 0.441. Now here, 4 people are chosen at random, one after another. What is the probability that the 4th person of the 4 chosen is the only one to have blue eyes? Now with this one, we don't have to multiply it by 4 because we know it's the last one who's going to be the only one not to have blue eyes. In the previous one, the reason why we multiplied it by 3 is that we didn't know which one of the 3 could have blue eyes. It could have been any one of them. So this time we know it's the 4th person. So multiply the 4 probabilities together. Person 1 is not blue, so they're 0.3. Person 2, you know, is not blue, so they're 0.3. Person 3, you know, is not blue, so they're 0.3. And person 4, the only one with blue eyes, is 0.7. So simply multiply those together. You get 0.018, and that is your answer.